In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your personal OneDrive or business OneDrive from your Windows 10 computer. If you're looking to disconnect OneDrive to protect your privacy, or perhaps you're simply switching to another platform, this guide will walk you through the steps with ease. To begin, navigate to the bottom right corner of your computer screen where you'll see the taskbar. This is usually a strip at the edge of the screen that includes system icons and other applications. Among those icons, you should spot a small cloud icon representing OneDrive. If you don't see this icon right away, don't worry. Simply click on the small upward-facing arrow known as the Show Hidden Icons arrow, and you'll find it there. Once you've located the OneDrive icon, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This action will bring up the Microsoft OneDrive Settings window. Within the Settings window, you'll notice several tabs across the top. What you need to focus on is the Account tab. Click on this tab to access the relevant account settings. Here, you'll see your OneDrive account displayed, complete with options to modify or manage it. Next, look for the Unlink this PC button, which should be prominently visible. Clicking this button kicks off the process of disconnecting your OneDrive account from your PC. Once you click it, a dialog box might appear, prompting you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm to continue unlinking. Once the unlinking process is complete, OneDrive will no longer sync files between your computer and your OneDrive storage in the cloud. However, be mindful that any files you had synced or stored locally won't be deleted from your computer during this process. They'll remain as they are, safe and sound on your hard drive. If you've been using the business version of OneDrive or you have multiple accounts, you'll follow the same procedure for each account you wish to unlink. It's a straightforward method that's consistent across different types of OneDrive accounts. For those who are considering relinking your OneDrive in the future, remember that you can always reinstall the OneDrive app and go through the setup process again. Your data will remain intact in the cloud, ready to sync anew whenever you decide to reconnect. And there you have it, a stress-free way to unlink OneDrive from your Windows 10 computer. It's simple, fast, and puts you back in control of your storage solutions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.